Alright, hello. So I have 2 to 3 objections, depending on time. But then the first objection and how I would reply to it, I'm not very good at objections or replying to it, but some objections that I heard throughout my life was, it's not scientifically proven, the Bible, such as. And I've heard this and I've seen this throughout my whole life, and it's basically one of the biggest objections out there. And how I would reply to this is, I think what I would say is we have to really look at what scientific is and what the history of the Bible is, because those two do not mesh, or those two has different meanings or different things pertaining to, such as scientific is more of, it does not have to do with history because it's not measurable or repeatable, such as, history is not measurable or repeatable, and scientific is. And so there's like two different things with this, and a bottom line or a foundation we have to understand is that the differences between the Bible and scientific, and putting them together and relating the things in the Bible, scientific stuff is really confusing and frustrating, even though there are similarities and differences. So this is how I would reply to this objection, as far as what I can think of, at least. And the second objection is, that I've heard throughout my lifetime, is just the Bible contradicts itself. And with this one, there's a lot with this one, actually, because when someone says the Bible contradicts itself, how I would answer this is, it cannot contradict itself. Maybe it's contradicting the person itself. It contradicts us. That can be a reason that I just thought was interesting. And the thing is, those who does raise this objection is that, one has to really understand, because in the Bible, if you say it's a contradiction for those, I believe that they are blinded by the answers that are given in the Bible, that the answers are contradictions. Yeah, the Bible does have contradictions if one does believe that, but then there are answers in the Bible that supports and backs it up. So this objection is actually really hard itself, and it's a pretty big objection that's out there. But this is how I would reply to it, and how I will start off with these objections. Just two objections that I've heard throughout my lifetime. And yeah, these are some of the objections that I've thought of, not thought of, but heard, and how I will reply. Thank you.